Preparations are in play for the advent of La Nina's extreme weather, and rice farmers see this development as a boon to their rice production in this report. Arnie, a farmer from Bulacan, managed to harvest nearly 300 sacks of rice despite the challenging conditions brought by the El Nino phenomenon. Instead of selling his harvest to traders, he opted to bring it to the National Food Authority in Ildefonso, Bulacan. While traders offered prices ranging from 24 to 25 pesos per kilogram of palay, Arnie decided to sell his produce to the NFA at 27 pesos per kilogram.
Pagka tumaas kasi ng kahit 1 peso lang, kung compare mo sa trader, malaking bagay yun kasi nakakadagdag sa pambili ng abono, pambili ng binhi.
In preparation for the La Nina phenomenon, the NFA has intensified its procurement of palay from local farmers. Records show the NFA has purchased 3.29 million sacks of rice from farmers. This means the agency has achieved 99% of its target of 3.3 million bags within the first 6 months of 2024. While the NFA has procured a substantial amount of rice equivalent to approximately 136,000 metric tons, which is nearly equivalent to the 4-day rice consumption of the Philippines during emergencies or calamities, it falls short of meeting the agency's required 9-day national rice buffer stock as mandated by the rice tariffication law. However, despite the shortfall, the NFA remains unfazed.
Hindi naman tayo sinasalanta ng bagyo na buong Pilipinas, no? Sapat na sapat po yan, no? Aside from the stocks natin sa mga household. Kung computein natin yung 136 million kilos, that will last 35 days, no? Na pagkain ng Metro Manila.
As the harvest season yields profits for some, apprehensions loom large among farmers after the National Economic and Development Authority approved the reduced tariff for rice. Some farmers fear imported rice will flood the market, subsequently driving down the price of locally produced palay.
Talaga po ang interest nila, bebenta na nila.
Kapag
bumaba pa ang presyo ng palay. Yung mga magsasaka po, tatama rin na rin.
Walang kinalaman yung pagbaba ng tariff ng imported rice doon sa buying price ni NFA. Kahit ibaba nila sa zero yan, we will buy at the price na makakatulong at makakaginhawa sa farmers.
The procurement price for dried palay ranges from 23 pesos to 30 pesos, while fresh palay is between 17 to 23 pesos per kilogram, which is slightly higher than the previous buying price range of only 16 to 23 pesos. This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.